Hello students, today we are going to solve one more problem related with bank reconciliation statement. In this question, negative balance is given, credit balance as per cash flow. So here is the question. Prepare bank reconciliation statement from the following particulars on 30th June 2016. Credit balance as per bank column of cash book. According to cash book, credit balance is negative balance or overdraft balance. So we will put the credit balance in minus side. First we make format credit balance or overdraft balance as per cash book goes to minus side of the BRS. Check issued to the creditor but yet not present for payment. Next transaction is we have issued some checks of rupees 720 but not present in bank. If we issue any check, we deduct it from the cash book, but in bank it is not present. So balance of bank is higher than cash book. So we will add it to the BRS. Next, check deposit into bank for collection but not collected by the bank up to this time 1540. We have deposited some checks into bank, so we increase the balance of cash book, but in bank it is not credited, so balance of bank is lesser than cash book, so we will also deduct it, so it goes to minus side. Next, bank charge rupees 20, bank deduct bank charge rupees 20, so it is deducted from the bank, so we also deduct it from the cash book, so it also goes to minus side. Next, interest on overdraft charge by bank. On overdraft, bank not allow us interest, bank charge interest from us, so the balance of bank is decreased, so we will also minus it from the cash book, it goes to minus side. Next, a customer deposit into bank account without informing us. So in this transaction, a customer deposit into bank, so balance of bank is increased by 240, so we will also increase it. And the last one is paid, bank paid house tax on behalf, but no information was received. So when bank paid house tax, so balance of bank is deducted, so we will also deduct it, it goes to minus. At the end, we make total of both the side and check the balance. Here you can easily say that the minus side is higher, so balance will goes to plus side, debit balance, overdraft balance as per passbook. Total of both side is 5220. Thank you, students.